All right, so we are gonna work on Julie's hand today, and she said she has multiple body parts, but we're gonna just focus on the hand because it'll be the easiest today. I'm expecting pretty dramatic results here with one visit. Obviously, you know, Julie could just be a plant, you know, to help me sell this here, but we'll see. You'll have to ask her as we go along. So I got the machine ready to go, but first what we're gonna use some gel because this machine travels better through a water or liquid kind of based medium. So we're gonna kind of lube her up a little bit here. Good, and we'll get a little bit down into the hand as well, okay? So it's a little bit goopy, you know, for that. And then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna run this applicator. Now you're gonna hear the popping noise, but you probably won't see the light. Us here in the person will see it, but you won't see the light flashing out, and that's the spark that's kind of shooting it in there too. And then what you're gonna do is I'm gonna be running over. You'll find when I'm over like a healthy area, you won't really feel very much other than like a little kind of like dunk like that. But when I hit a spot that is damaged, it's not gonna hurt, but like you'll feel it's like kind of gritty and grainy along. So you kind of will, I'll watch your face, but also like let me know if it's like with that spot so we can focus on it, okay? Okay. All right, so here we go.
That whole thing hurts.
Okay. But so for example, like can you feel like it doesn't hurt up there, right? You don't, it doesn't hurt her, but it's like uncomfortable, like you can feel it hitting it up, right?
Yeah, yes. That's what I feel. Yeah.
Is that uncomfortable too? Yeah.
Oh, that was a spot.
Right there.
It's like making my other side of my hand hurt.
Yeah. Well, those nerves are waking them up too. How's it at the tip?
It hurts.
Okay.
That one hurt.
Let me do the back side a little bit here more. Are you getting tougher or is it kind of lessening up a little bit?
Some of the spot, it depends. That was pretty painful right there.
I'm gonna hit this a little bit more, okay then. So one of the things that she was saying was that she was having trouble gripping. So.
Yeah, you don't feel anything if it doesn't hurt.
Mm-hmm.
It's just...
So you like, point is we know, if your body, you know where the problem areas are when we're doing this, right?
For sure.
Almost done. About 10 more.
All right, here. Clean yourself off. Thank you. We are still. All right, so this area was really,
Yeah.
that got less as you did it. It didn't
Exactly.
hurt.
Yeah.
But then there was other areas that,
Yeah.
yeah.
All right. So what would be something that would be challenging to do?
It me is like picking up more than, not paper, like folders. Not so much,
So like, how about this? Like that thick?
yeah.
Like gripping that?
No, that was better.
Let's try like something like that. Like what would be?
This wasn't,
No.
this was, it was
'Cause you're
just
not
mostly,
pinching, it's
yeah,
pinching?
it was the pinching.
I just smeared gel on my face. How about this?
This would be yeah, it's much, it's
Is
better.
it easier?
It's easier, yeah.
Cool. And so that was one, and typically like on a hand we would do like 6 over 6 more or so over the next couple of weeks. So it's like, I mean,
Right.
what percentage would you say loosely would that be? Was that improved for gripping something like that?
50% maybe, I mean,
In-
it was much
in
better,
5
much
minutes,
better, yeah.
Yeah, and that was within a minute, basically after doing it. And so the goal would be then, and like now it's also a lot of healing is gonna take place even over the next couple of days, and we'll do another one probably on Friday or Thursday or something,
Okay.
of this week to see how much more it improves. But
Wonderful.
that was pretty cool.
It is.
It was tolerable, right? I mean, it hurts,
It was
but
tolerable,
it's like.
it only, yeah.
And now
it's
is it
tolerable.
done? It doesn't hurt anymore.
No,
Yeah.
as soon as you move away from
Right.
the spot, it
Yeah.
doesn't hurt.
So you could clear, and then like, do you feel? I mean, no, it felt stronger, but do you feel anything different in
I can
there?
feel a little bit, a little pain maybe, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kind of beats it.
Yeah.
That joint, that thumb joint, was in rough shape, which it is for a
Yeah.
lot of people. Is that
Yeah.
that's like usually where the
And
worst
it's
one
more
is.
here than
Mhm.
this side.
Yeah.
Okay,
Cool.
good, cool.
All right. Exciting.
Thanks.
Yeah.